one. It is better to give than to receive. True, the relief operation is such an eye-opener for me. On the 17th of August 2012, at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we went to Santo Tomas, Pampanga. Victims of Habagat organized themselves to receive our simple gifts. This is one of the best experiences I had because I did not expect that all the students shared what they have. It is very heart-melting when we see a glimpse of smile in the lips of the victims of Habagat as they reach their hands to receive our little and simple relief goods. This is not possible without the help of everybody. Meeting in person our dearest chaplain father, Father Nonoy Abiera, is far beyond my expectation. New lessons from gospel to homily are unforgettable treasures in my high school life. Today, as we are about to graduate, we will not just face the end of our high school life, but it is also the beginning for us students to trod to another journey and chapter of our lives. Some will find jobs to help their parents, and some will continue college to pursue a brighter future. But even with those paths we've gone through, we should not forget those people who have guided us to be responsible and God-loving individuals. To my teachers, thank you is not enough to show my deepest gratitude for all the lessons that I've learned from every subject. Ito na po siguro yung panahon na aalis na po kami sa Air Force City High School. For we have to step up to a new journey. Pero sana po, hindi pa po ito yung huling pagkakataon na magkikita-kita pa po tayong lahat. Hindi ko po kayo makakalimutan. Sir Marlon, who taught us the meaning of life by teaching us how to make our own book of life in Araling Panlipunan. Ma'am Rose, who patiently corrected our grammar usage in English and the different kinds of moral values in edukasyon sa pagpapahalaga. Sir Jerry, who taught us how to solve trigonometric functions and equations in trigonometry and Photoshop editing in Photoshop and how to play the guitar. Sir Froilan, who taught us the values of humility and the different kinds of folk and modern dances in MAPE. Ma'am Jane Villanueva, who introduced us to Crispin, Basilio, and their mom Sisa, to Crisostomo Ibarra and Maria Clara in the book El Filibusterismo in the subject of Filipino. Sir Christopher, who shared his knowledge about the different kinds of units and usage for electricity and energy in physics. Even though that Ma'am Amy and Ma'am Siza did not have any subjects in our year level, I still thank them. Their incomparable beauty, efforts, and ever-smiling face when teaching were inspiration to the students' eyes. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagtuturo ng mga aralin sa amin. In behalf of my classmates, it is our pleasure to be named as the pioneer of Air Force City High School. We are very proud of having this title. And this will be always in our hearts until our last breath. To my classmates, I am very glad that I have shared my time and experiences with all of you. I know that we can surpass all the trials and challenges that will come to our lives. Kaya natin yan, Tatak Air Force City High School kaya tayo. To my father, retired Second Lieutenant Reynaldo Herola, thank you for all the efforts and hard work that you've done to keep us in school.
Naiiyak siya.
Pa, sana po proud po kayo sa akin. To my mom, I also thank and appreciate your love and affection for me and my siblings. Ma, maraming salamat po talaga.
Umiiyak
Dito
siya.
na ako. Ma, pa, sorry po talaga sa mga nagawa ko hindi maganda. Para rin po sa inyo ito naabot ko. I will do my best for our
Wala pang
family.
ipanyo dyan.
Mahal ko po kayo. And to Marimar Mendoza, thank you very much for being my inspiration. You're one of
Wala
the
pa
reasons why I have reached this achievement, what title I am holding now.
Yung makeup ko
I
masisira.
love you. Good luck to every one of us. We can be what we want to be in the future with the guidance of our Lord Jesus Christ. Keep on fighting, my dear classmates. Basta walang kalimutan. Always keep in touch, and I'm just a Facebook away. To our alma mater, you will be missed. As they say in Chabacano, the native tongue of my beloved mother, Buenos dias y gracias con todos, which means good day and thank you to all of you.
Thank you.